Hello students, welcome to this e-learning session. In last video lecture, we have discussed about various steps that are going to be undertaken by the farmer for cultivating a particular type of crop, and in those steps, first step is preparation of soil. So preparation of soil we have already discussed, that is turning and loosening of soil, that is called as tilling. Tilling is done by a plow, instrument called as plow. Okay. Then preparation of soil also includes breaking the crumb, also includes removing the weeds, and the leveling of soil is done by a leveler. That also includes under the point preparation of soil. Now we are going to discuss in detail what kind of instruments are majorly used by farmers in the step of preparation of soil. Okay. I am again telling this. These instruments are showing a major use in the process preparation, that is before sowing. Before sowing the seeds, we need to be sure that the soil particles are as fine as wheat grains, rice grains that we see. So this type of soil is best suitable for growth of plants. So we need to make sure of this before sowing, that the soil has sufficient amount of nutrition. The soil is turned upside down, that is the lower which was beneath the upper lower has come back in the upper layer, and now the layer which was having less nutrient is again going back in the downside. That also we made sure that there are no large size crumbs, that is the soil particles which are attached together, big crumbs. So these crumbs we have already broken. We need to break before the sowing process. So this comes under the point preparation of soil. Now we will start with the point agricultural implements. Agricultural implements, these are nothing but tools which are to be used in agriculture. Okay, although there are various tools that can be used for gardening, or at our homes also we can use several instruments like sickle, right, like shovel to dig, and then there are some instruments that we can exclusively use for farm only, because for large area, I told you already that for producing a crop we require large amount of area. Okay, so for large amount of area we require agricultural implements, that is plow, hoe, and cultivator. Okay, so first we will start with plow. As its name itself indicates, plow is used in the process of plowing or tilling. Tilling is the process of turning or loosening the soil. So that process is called as tilling or plowing, that is done by the help of an instrument that is called as plow. Now we will have a look at diagram of plow, and along with the diagram we will write its description also. Okay, so plow, here is a diagram, of plow. Now in this diagram we can clearly see a long log of wood. Okay, the diagram actually is a modern plow. Okay, the modern plow is totally made up of iron, but in ancient times farmer used plow which was made up of wood, which was made of total wood. Okay, so plow is divided into basic two components, that is plowshare and plow shaft. What is plowshare? Okay, what is plowshare? First we will discuss what is plowshare. Okay, so plowshare, as you can see in the diagram, it is a blade-like structure which is attached to one end of that rod and which is going to be immersed inside the soil. Plowshare is that iron strip. Okay, if the plow is of ancient time, then the rod is called as the long log of wood is called as plow shaft. Okay, the wood long rod of wood is called as plow shaft, that you can see in the diagram. And plowshare is the portion which is made up of iron, which is made like a blade so that it can pierce the soil and run smoothly. Now you can recall the point of breaking the crumbs. If crumbs were present in the soil, then this plowshare might get broken or might get blocked there. It might not move further. So that is why it is necessary to break the crumbs before sowing the process. Okay, so plowshare, plow shaft. Now plowshare, what is plowshare? Iron strip, as I have told you, and plow shaft, that rod is called as plow shaft. Now the plow is having a handle at other end, and over the handle a beam will be attached. A handle and beam. Over the handle, the beam, near the handle, the beam will be attached. Beam is nothing but another rod, a rod-like structure. Okay, so that will be made up of wood. So that will be placed over the beam, and when the beam, the long log of wood, that is the beam, will be placed over the animals which are going to pull. Okay, so there are animals which are going to pull the instrument. To plow can be pulled by animals. So this instrument can be pulled by animals, basically pair of bulls, or during ancient times horses also, camels, these were also used for pulling. Okay. So this is about plow. Now the next instrument that we are going to discuss is a hoe. See, the basic difference between plow and hoe is plow is exclusively used for removing or for turning and loosening the soil, whereas a hoe is here used for, it is used here for removing excessive weeds. So there are many farms which are not cultivated for many days, and such farms or such fields are showing excessive growth of weeds, that is unwanted plants. So to remove these unwanted plants, instruments like hoe is used here. Okay. Now how it looks like, here we will have a look at diagram. Now the diagram clearly, as you can see, it is an instrument totally made up of iron, Okay. Now see exactly, it is also having instruments, that is grip and handle at one end. Grip is there for holding from the grip of farmer, and also handle for handling the instrument or keeping the instrument in control of the farmer. Okay, so handle is also there at one place, and at the other end there is a beam which is to be placed over. There is a beam which is to be placed over the neck of bulls or neck of animals that might be used for this process. Alright, so as you can see clearly in this diagram also, at last point see bent plate is there. Bent plate. Okay, so bent plate is there. Now that bent plate helps, works like a blade, so it can clear easily the soil surface and remove or uproot. I can say uproot here, because for removing weeds it is necessary that we should uproot them. Okay, so bent plate works like a blade. This instrument is also used by the help of pair of bulls or some other animals were used in the ancient times. Alright, there is a lot of modification in use. The hoes which are used in gardens are different. Hoes which are used in farms are also different. Alright. Now the last one is main. Cultivator. Cultivators are tractor driven instruments. Basically they are tractor driven instruments. Now you can have a look at the diagram. Cultivator is attached to the tractor, and it is also showing 6-7 blades which are having equal distance in between them. Okay, so these blades are used to plow the soil, or they are used to prepare the soil for sowing purpose. Before sowing purpose, we are preparing the soil by cultivator. What are the advantages of cultivator? First of all, farm is prepared uniformly. Then another advantage, it saves labor. That is, in the previous two instruments we saw that it was requiring a farmer to handle as well as a pair of animals. Okay, so in this case, in case of tractor driven cultivator, it is not the case. Here we require a driver to drive the cultivator, so it saves the labor, okay, as well as it saves time. So it also saves time. But tractor driven cultivator is used in farms to prepare the farm uniformly. Okay. Only thing here is these three instruments are to be used as per the farm, as per the soil. If the soil is too hard, then it is preferred to use cultivator. Okay. If the soil has so many weeds, then it is preferred to use a hoe. But if the soil is normal, that is, it was been in practice before in the last season also, so we can use plow for tilling purpose. Alright. If it has too many crumbs, then also cultivator is suitable. Alright. Some other instruments are also there. Which can be used for the preparation of the soil, but it depends on the amount of soil to be covered. Okay, if the area that we have to cover is large, then these will be used. If the area is small, then some other instruments like sickle, kurpi, etc. can be used. Okay, hope you have understood this topic of agriculture.